Well, hey everybody, this is Tracy Arnold with Appalachian Garden and Homesteading. Exciting day today. Got started on one of the walls and got it completely ready for cattle panels. I'm thinking very seriously though. This wall on the outside will have a lot of pressure on it. So I probably will go back and add these 2x4s uprights on each side of this, just to keep the pressure from pushing it out on top of the greenhouse somehow. Very unhappy with the levelness of my yard, which I thought was pretty level. And once I got to the end of it, I was about 2 inches, inch and a half, 2 inches from being to the top of my 4x4. The reason is I want to keep it level with the other side. So I strung out the other side there, and this here is going to be, I'll have to cut this side off to actually 2 inches to meet up with the top of my red cross member there, my upper part of my wall. And I tell you, this has been a job. I'm recording a little bit at a time, doing a little bit at a time, and I will edit it together later. But I am very impressed with the look of it, the size of it. It's going to be a pretty good, it's going to be an amazing grow house. You know, growing stuff in it. I'm actually going to tarp up not tarp up, I'm going to actually put my greenhouse plastic on top and then cut it and layer it over this. Like, have my cattle panel up against this, come over the edge, and then put me a strip here with the plastic roof and nail gaskets, the roof and nail with the plastic gasket. Put them all the way up through, and then I'm gonna make this bottom piece a separate piece and not connect it to the ends until wintertime. For the fact of it is, I'm gonna roll it up. It's gonna be roll up sidewalls, sidewalls on it. So far, I think it looks fairly decent. It's just been a lot of work, and between a full-time job and doing this too, I come home and do what I can for a couple hours, and then I got other things I got to do as well. So getting ready to have to start chicken coop as well. So there's just so much I got to do here. I got that much done. So hopefully the next time I come out, I'll bring the camera with me and set it up, and we'll do this other wall here and do exactly like we did on the other end, the other side there. I'm not wanting it to be a long video, but editing's a different story. It's a different game. So got some more painting to do before I even put these up. I didn't realize I had 3 more 2x6s in there, that 2x6x10s that did not get painted. They were on the stack with the other wood for the raised beds. So yeah, kind of missed out on that memo. But it's looking good, I think. It's not going to be perfect, but it will grow. I believe it will grow what I need to. Actually, I'm thinking very seriously. I've got to put raised beds in them. So what I may do is, to ensure the raised bed, is take my too short 4x4 and broke, and maybe come off to where I'm going to actually put my raised beds, 2 foot out, burn me a hole, and bury it a foot, leave a foot sticking out right there and over here, and then take and actually put me a 2 2x4s from this 2x4, this 4x4, to the top of this 4x4, and that'll give it that much that much more pull on it to keep it from pushing out. And maybe even, I might even have to even go back and actually add 3 4x4s in the middle of these, along with the 2x4 uprights. I mean, it's gonna have to be sturdy, because sometimes you know, every now and then there's this freak snowstorm that comes up the East Coast that just slams us with ice and 2 and 3 foot of snow. It hadn't happened in a while, but as soon as I get this done, it'll probably happen next year. It's just the way luck goes sometimes. Man, I hope y'all enjoy this. Hope y'all are liking the build. I might actually take these and do something with them for a stout and so on. Not sure yet. We got some working out to do. That's why I didn't put it all in one video. And this just step by step. 2 by 6 by 10s for the top and bottom runs. 4x4s. Actually got the 2. Let's see, I got each side so far has 2 4x4 by 10s. So you're seeing 4 foot 4 foot above ground, and then the foot in the ground. That's all I've got in the ground is a foot. So that's going to leave me plenty of room to go in, and I mean, look, that's over that's just above that's right at my chest height. So that's crazy. I get my tomatoes growing in here, get some other things growing in here. Put me a raised bed right in the middle, like a foot right in the middle here, and grow me some grapes. Just everything that vines up is what I want to do. So I just hope y'all enjoy this, and hopefully y'all come back and check out the rest of the videos. Hopefully I'll be able to get one together to show how I actually done this and share it with you guys. And I'm sure somebody's gonna have something to say, but hey, go ahead, say it. I don't take criticism as a bad thing. I'll take it as a plus, because I'm sure later on down the road, after we get this one going and see what we're gonna be able to do with it, there may be another one going in too. I might have 2 of these, just to have a 20 by 60 greenhouse, pretty much. I'm not going to expand this one, just going to make one right beside of it maybe. So that'd be cool. Alright guys, I'm going to get off here and clean this stuff up and go in and get ready to eat some supper. And y'all have a good, blessed evening or weekend, whatever it is, day or night. And we'll see y'all on the next one. Thank y'all so much for subscribing, and see you next time. Keep it real.